welcome back to TV. Today we are going to be making the paper decorations. So let's go. The first one is going to be a paper lantern. We're going to be needing 2 papers for this one. First we're going to be folding the paper in half. So just from the long side we're going to be folding it, not from the small side, or else the lantern is going to be too tall and then it's going to be too slim and it's not going to look good. Now we're going to be cutting some parts. Don't cut it all or else it's going to snip off, and we don't want it to snip off. Just half like this, as you see here. Now I'm just going to be fast forwarding it because you don't want to see how I cut so slowly. So yes, and now we are going to be opening it. And now from the above we're going to be folding it down. The fold is supposed to look like a circle, as you see here. And now we are going to be stapling the top and the bottom with a stapler. You can use tape or glue, but stapler works the best. So now we're going to be stapling the bottom. Staple. Okay. Now you see the springy type of paper shape. Looks funny. Now we're going to throw that away because we are going to be needing the second paper, and we're going to cut it only one strip. We're going to cut. It can be slim or big because this is going to be for the handle. As I said, we cut this, and now we have this strip for the handle, and this is going to be the roll for the inside. It's going to be better if you use colored paper. Right now I'm going to be rolling it and then putting it in here, and then just letting it open. And then this is supposed to be a candle, but since I didn't have color paper, so I was going to have to do it in white paper. And then you're going to staple this part. Now see, it's supposed to look like this. And now we're going to be adding the handle. So the first handle part, we're going to put it inside like this and then staple it. Staple. You can use colored paper if you like. And now the other part the same. We put it inside and then adjust it and staple it. Staple. Okay. Stapled. And now this is how it's supposed to look. Good luck on making the first one. So like, subscribe, and let's go to the second one. Now the second one, we're going to be making a paper chain. It's a really easy one. So first of all, we are going to be cutting like a million strips. Not million actually, just some strips out of the paper. As I said, we're going to fast forward it because you don't want to see how I cut. It's going to take forever. So I fast forward it, and now we have all of these pieces of paper. We're going to take one and then roll it into like a circle and then staple it. And I'll do the same to the other one. Staple it. Yes, I put it like in a roll and then staple it. Now do the other one also. Put it inside. You have to put it inside and then make it a roll and then staple it. Now I cut, and look how much I did. This is the last one. Put it inside. Put them against each other, and now staple. Yay! Look at it. So nice. And good luck on making this one. Now we're gonna go to the third one. For the third one, we're gonna be making like a spiral decoration. It's gonna look nice. So first we fold it like this in a triangle, as you see. Now we're gonna be cutting out this bottom part. And now we're gonna be taking this part and folding it up. And now we're gonna be folding the down part because that's blue. And now from this we are going to be making like sideways lines. From the big side is going to be the small lines, and then from the smaller side we're going to make the bigger lines like this. See, from the smaller side we're going to start making the bigger lines. Now open it up. Open it. Now this is going to be hard part, opening this part, because it's kind of hard, but you can get it. One by one, open them. One by one. Take one piece, open it, and it just takes a long time to open it. So that's why I cut the parts. Now we are going to put the scissors in the middle part and then put it around. Just wrap it like a circle like this. Take some tape. For this one we're going to be using one tape only for this part, and then the rest of them stapler. You can use glue as well, that works better, but I recommend tape and stapler. So as you see here, now I'm going to the back. So this is like a pattern: front, back, front, back, front, back. Now the front side again. Now the front side, this one, this, and then staple it, of course. And now for the back side, take it and then make them above of each other, and then just staple it. And now for the last one, we do like this and then staple it. Look, this is how it's supposed to look like. Good luck on making this one. So as you see here, I made like millions of these ones. I have so much of these one which I made by myself, and my sister helped me make some. This is the one which I used, spiral one. I hang it on top of the ceiling, and yes. So this is what I did with the ones which we made in this video. I put the chain on this door, the other one here, and now I took the lantern. As you see right now, I take this lantern and staple it on here like this. Bye guys.